you want to do this one?
Sure. So banners are where our most important blast will go, and that's in Kajabi terms, which is who we use, is the hello bar. But we want to use them cautiously and sparingly, and of course, strategically. And do we want to add a little bit more about banners?
I think maybe so, because most platforms have some sort of, like you mentioned, we only use Kajabi, but Kajabi has a hello bar. And when you come onto someone's website, that's the very first thing at the top. It's the little piece at the top that gives you the information for what's current, or like what is going on. Don't leave something up there. I think this is one of the most important things. Don't leave something up there long term that makes someone go, oh, they don't check their own website. They don't pay attention. So it makes them kind of build trust with you if you always have a current something and you don't use it when it's past. Like, those are little information pieces. So